Well, hey, it's Dave with Some Days Today, and I just wanted to reach out to all of you and talk about condensation and how critical it is that you're able to control that in your RV. I've got a couple recommendations I want to share with you today, and one of them is a dehumidifier, and this is the Pro Breeze that I picked up for my trailer. It's good up to about 200 square feet. It does a fantastic job, and it's in the $50 range on Amazon and a few other different places. So I recommend you get one of these. If you got a bigger RV, get two, and be sure and use those as much as possible. And then the other recommendation I have that I wanted to share is that you have a monitor, and you're able to monitor the humidity levels, the temperature levels, which are important compared to outside. And this one also has the capability of monitoring carbon dioxide, the amounts that might be in your RV. So get a get the dehumidifier, get this, monitor the situation using the vents and fresh air and all of the other recommendations that you'll see on YouTube at various other channels. And I hope that was a big help to you, and we'll see you down the road.